What a beautiful day today. Look at this rain. Bet those of you in California would love this. Oh, we got a gutter clog there. Like 12 feet off the ground. Yay. Huh, another gutter clog. No flow there. So much for mowing the lawn this week. Why can't we get some of that thunder over here? Of course, I probably dropped the camera. Mom's washing her car. Yep, must have another clogged gutter. Look, just like Morton salt, when it rains, it pours. Wow. Well, now I got another month I don't have to water trees, so that's good. I think I'll keep this short and sweet because I don't know